Your own grandson was lost. You cowered and prayed to God, and the Almighty would have left him dead beneath your feet. Well, maybe God just doesn't love you as much as you'd like to believe. Maybe he finds it laughably arrogant for you to think you even know his will. God brought him back to us. Yeah, you go and see what I did to Jonah Lambrecht. You'll see that God had nothing to do with it. Nothing. Let's go.
Mana? Jangan mana? Tempat angry. Kasih nana. I play with you, mama. Gimana? Angry lion. Angry lion, man. Okay. Come back to the bed, man. Don't put angry. Don't put angry. Don't put angry. Don't put angry. No.
There's a paperwork. 2 hours to...
Kung Fu cat.
Alright, see you later.
Stay with me. One will.
The Gato's are my hand. Oh, who teach you to sleep? The energy of the animal. Yeah. Oh, Hungry lion, fight Kung Fu cat. Yeah. Oh. It's teaching Kung Fu cat. Kung Fu cat. I kiss you, but you hungry. So why you still angry with me, baby? I still not sleep. You need go, hungry lion. Angry lion. Be careful. It's angry lion. I'm fighting with you too. Yeah. It's angry. Hungry. Lion. Didn't his face look like a demon? Fucking angry lion. Angry lion. Didn't his face look like a devil?